Hello and welcome to my class. Today's question, as you can see, is how to solve for x where x raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power x plus 4. So let us proceed to solve this question now. You can see the question I have written on the next slide. We can write further x raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power 4, because we know a raised to power m times a raised to power n is a raised to power m plus n. Now, if we divide both sides by 2 raised to power x, we get x raised to power x, 2 raised to power x, and here this side we get this and this gets cancelled, so 2 raised to power 4. Now we can write it as x raised to power 2 whole raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power 4. We know that a raised to power m, a raised to power b raised to power m is equal to a by b raised to power m, and this I have used over here. Then both sides, if we multiply by, if we raise the power 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2, then using the concept a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m times n, we can write it as x by 2 raised to power x times 1 by 2, that is x by 2, equals to 2 raised to power 4 times 1 by 2, that is 2. Now if a raised to power a equal to b raised to power b, then we know a equal to b. So using this concept here, we can write x by 2 equals to 2, from where we can say x equals to 2 times 2, that is 4, and that is our answer. Hope my explanation at every step was clear. If you have any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. You can contact me for online classes also. Here is my email ID. Thank you very much once again. See you in the next video.